Welcome coders. So in the previous tutorial we have created these four routes. We were able to register user, login user, logout user and get user profile, and now it's time to get all users and we will able to search. So if you want a full explanation and more detail, I have the video. So what I am doing right now is the upgraded version of my previous tutorial. You see, if you go to my channel, so you will get all tutorials like MERN stack. Okay, so this is MERN stack. So you'll get, this is the upgraded version or updated version of this previous tutorial. So you will get a lot of explanation if you go to my previous tutorial. Okay, so I wanna and you will get this code. I will give the link today. So we will create this functionality, and the functionality is get users, and we will able to search. Okay, so let's go. And before that, I have created something, and that is in the utility class, not in the utility class, in the middleware error. So that was my previous error handling, but try case, but I have changed a little bit because previous one is giving error. So we are using promise and request response. So a little bit larger version, you can say. So some functionalities, more functionalities added over here. And I have added another thing in the auth, and that is admin. Previously it was not the previously we have only to get the authenticated user. I mean those user request user. I mean those users are login. Request user means those users are login. You will get authenticated user, but this is authorization user. So those users role is admin. They will get access, and in the routes we will use two things. Previously we will use only protect, but this time we will use admin and protect. So this is authentication and authorization. So if the role is user, so it is very logical that not every users has any activity for get all users, to update users, to delete users, to ban users. So you cannot, it doesn't make any sense that every user will get access and they have the ability to ban, unban, delete or modify any users, make them user admin. This role should be specified to the admins only, right? So this is very logical. And for security purpose, authentication authorization should be handled properly. So it sounds pretty logical that you will get all users will only those who are protected, I mean those who are logged in and those who have the admin role, they will get access to all users. So I am using it. So I have used isAdmin over here, and in the previous class it had not been there. Middleware isAdmin. So isAdmin is that will bring the request.user. Request.user, always remember that request.user means logged in user. Request.user is the logged in user. Okay, logged in user. So you will find the user, and if the user not found, if the role is admin, then authentication failed. If the role is not admin, then authentication failed, then it will go to next. Otherwise it will allow me to work. Okay, so this is the authentication. So write down the controller. Okay, so export const get all users. Okay, and we will use try case and async request response. Okay, request, I have the code over here even though I am writing. So if there is any error, I will copy the code. Okay, request response. There is a type over here, export. Response. So where is the problem? Async, typo again, and request is not request, it's capital letter request. So don't we have the request over here? Yeah, we have the request. So right now no error, and if we bring get all users, we are able to get all users, and you have to bring the isAdmin. Okay, so if isAdmin is not here, you have to bring. So isAdmin is not here, you have to bring it from this middleware auth. So we want to source. Okay, const source, and it should be string request dot query dot source. Otherwise it will be empty string. So you will get the source. I will show you in the Postman, no worries. So you can console log the source, console.log. Source. Okay, now we need const page, it should be number request dot query dot page, or it will be by default 1. Okay, const limit equal to number request dot query dot limit equal to 5. Const source regular expression equal to new exp source I. Okay, it will find the source and case insensitive. Okay, now const filter equal to or username, it should be username, right? Username, yes. So it should be username. Okay, name, okay, email and phone. And we want to const option, we don't like to password. Okay, so now const users equal to await user from user model, find filter option limit should be limit and skip. It has the explanation in my previous video. This is the video. You have to find out by going to my channel. So if you find out this is the MERN stack, you see MERN stack. So in the maybe in this video you will get it. Okay, you have to find out. I have the explanation of everything. So welcome back. Now if we register Redux. No, not data. But you will find, if you find out on 2 3 number, you will get the explanation. So you can watch it. So skip, why I have write skip, you will get the explanation over there. Page -1 multiple 5. So these will be the users and const count equal to await user dot find filter count documents. So why I have written count documents over here? So the count with await user find filter count document. It counts the number of document in the collection that matches the given filter. So it will find out the numbers. Okay, so if no users, then return res.status 404.json error no user found with the source, with the given source. Okay, return response status 200.json message success. We need to users and we need pagination, and we have the explanation of pagination in my previous tutorial. You can go and watch that. So this video is nothing new. So what I have given you previously, this is the upgraded version, nothing else. Total users equal to count, total pages equal to math.sling count.limit, and current page equal to page previous page. Will exist on the scope total pages, either declare on or provide an initializer. Steering to provide an initializer. Okay, math ceiling count by limit. Okay, we'll solve the error. No worries. Current page, then previous page. Previous page, page, -1. If it is -1, then 0, -1. Okay, greater than 0, space -1 or null. Okay, so this is previous page and this is okay. I'm bringing the pagination from here. Okay, so next page and previous page I have the total explanation, full-blown explanation over there. So you can go and watch that. So and you will get the tutorial also. You will get the codes also. Okay, so we are done. Let's go to the postman and try to find the users first, all users. Okay, so you are getting users, but the catch is, the main thing is that I am logging as an admin, and in absence of you I have made Shakil as an admin. You see, this is admin, but rest of the users are user. Their role is user, not admin. So to use this route, two conditions must be fulfilled. One needs to be logged in and another needs to be role should be admin. So Shakil's role is admin. You see, Shakil's role is admin. So he can get access. But if I log out, say if I logs out, so log out, now I will not able to get all the users. Not authorized, okay, no token. And not only that, if I log in by another user, say John is not admin. You see, John is not admin. So come over here. John is not admin. So if I try to get it, it will say authentication failed, need admin access. You see, it will come from the isAdmin middleware. Need admin access, okay. Authentication failed, need admin access. Authentication failed, need admin access. So we are pretty good for maintaining our authentication and authorization. So not only we are checking user must be login, and along with that he must be admin. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense to give him access. So as my only one role is admin in my database, and that is Shakil. So we can change it. You come over here and try to change it. Instead of user, you can write admin. So I am making him an admin. So this time John is admin. Okay, so who is logged in? John. Say I am logging out and making John logs in on once again. Okay, so now John is admin. So he has the capability. He is logged in, and as he is admin, he has the capability to access these routes. Okay, so we have total 5 users. You see, this is Mike, this is Labib, this is Do, this is John, and this is Shakil. So you can increase another functionalities. Who is logged in user? You should omit him. So I'm not making it. If you try, what will be the code? Write down in the comment box. So it is useless to see your profile, like who are logged in. It means you are the person. So it doesn't make any sense to see your credentials. So you should see the credentials of other people other than you. Okay. So user request.user should be omit or eliminate from this list. Okay. So write down the code in the comment box. Try yourself. Okay. It's a quiz or it's a challenge. Okay. So now I wanna use the parameter, and you see I have the console log source. So what we are getting? Let's see source. equal to, says even in the slightest hint it will work. Say John, Jon. Say I'm writing Asen. Even with the slightest hint it will work. You see, I'm getting John. So what are the users? Or I can see it from my MongoDB. So we have, even with the slightest hint it will work. So OE do, okay, and you will get the source. You see, source is OE. So you can give the full name, you can give the slightest hint of the slightest portion of your name, or you can give the mobile number. Say I have an users, or I am showing all the users once again. So you see the mobile number, all the mobile numbers are same, 2324 2424, and this is 21. So I want to search by 21. Search 21. Let's see what I am getting. I'll get only one user whose mobile number is 21. So it works as a matter of clicks, matter of slightest hints. Okay, so it's working very smartly, perfectly, and in a very pretty nice way. Okay, so our search functionality is done. So we can able to search by name, by mobile number, or anything else. Okay, so no more today. So our search functionality is working just fine. So we can search by search box or by mobile number or email. So I have forgotten to show you by email. So say search mic rate of, or let's see what are the emails we have. This is admin to, so I am searching this by this email. You will get it. Okay, so you are getting love it. So you can search by the input field, or by phone number, or by name, or by mobile number, everything. Okay, so search functionality is working in a very pretty nice way. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected, and the next tutorial we will discuss on how to update a user, or how to delete a user, or how to get the single user. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.